Hello everyone, greetings from Bali, the holiday destinations. How you all doing everyone? It's Bobo here and welcome back to my channel. It's Bali Walk and Shop. I'm at Werkudara Street, and this street is located in between Legian Street and Padma Street. Today I'm gonna show you a hotel, and this hotel is called Baleka Hotel. So the hotel I want to show you is it is just across the street over there. Hey, g'day everybody. It was so bloody good to see you all again. How are you bloody doing? What's your name again? Jeffrey?
Yep.
And?
Luke.
Luke. And?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Again.
Again. And?
Hello.
Robin.
Hello, Robin.
Robin. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
It's so great to see you all.
Bali, yeah?
Welcome to Bali. What is this about?
Studio.
Tell me.
New tattoo studio opening.
Oh, a new tattoo studio. Are you gonna get one?
This is the owners.
One day,
This is
yeah.
the owners.
Oh, you're the owners.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You gotta be kidding me, are you serious? Is this serious?
Serious.
Very
Serious.
serious.
So what is the place?
That's it.
Just in here.
Okay, I want to show you everybody the new tattoo studio. Yeah, I just show you that. Monster Inc. Oh my god, I like Monster. Yeah, I like Monster.
Your children like the monsters. Yeah.
Well,
Maybe grandchildren. Sorry, the grandchildren.
Oh yeah.
anyway, do you have anything to say about your tattoo studio?
Just come and see us.
All right, thank you
Quality
so much.
tattoos.
Quality tattoo,
Good
yeah,
price.
good price.
Yeah.
Anything else? No bonus?
Artists.
No bonus. Oh, we have good artists.
Very good artists.
Always
here.
a bonus.
All right,
Trustworthy. Clean,
Good luck.
sterile, very clean.
a lot of luck for you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Well, everybody, I need to go. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you again soon. Bye. So I'm going to cross the street. I'm gonna make a video of that hotel. It's called Baleka Resort and Spa. Oh, let's go. Goodbye, everybody. So this is the hotel I want to show you guys. It's called Baleka Resort and Spa. And this is the lobby area. Let's take a walk to the lobby area. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Beautiful couch, beautiful pillow, beautiful colors, and very beautiful round table in here. And this is the reception or front desk. Good morning. How are you today? And then I'm going to share the views from here. This is one of the sitting area as well. So beautiful. And I think I'm going to walk down to see the swimming pool, and we'll show you the swimming pool. So let's go. Finally made it to the swimming pool. It's so tropical, clear water. Wow, I can't believe this. This is something like beautiful lagoon. Beautiful weather, beautiful trees, fresh air. Let me show you the water up close. I can hear the water bubble, water drop. And you can use one of these. I don't know what to call this. If you guys know about this, please put a comment down below. What I know is just tire, but I think something for you to float on the water. And have a look at this trees, it's so nice. You know what I like most about this place is the air is so fresh and it smells so good. And they got more room over there. And this building is surrounded by beautiful trees. And looks like they are taking care of them very goodly. I can see they're looking so healthy. Wow, this is very interesting. This is pretty much like a beach pool. You know, it's look like it's on the beach, but there's no sand. And I like that flower over there, beautiful color. Let me walk up this way. And this is the room here. I'm gonna show you the room later on. And let's take a look from here to over there. And this is the views from here. The sun is over there. Well, let's continue exploring this. So that is the way to the room. I don't know how many rooms they have over there, but it looks so good and so clean. It's really well maintained. That this is stairs up to the room as well. Well, I think it is time for me to show you the room right now. Oh, let's go. The room number is 3201. Let's open the door. The door is open. As soon as you walk in the room, this is what you're gonna see. And then this must be the bathroom. Let's open the door. And the door is open. So, single sink here. And then trash can down below. There is a toilet. And this is a mirror. Then the next one, there's the shower with bathtub here. And this one is towel rack with some towel. So this bathtub here, it has curtain. This is the curtains. It's so white. I'm closing it right now. And there is a hose near the curtains. Toilet paper. I'm gonna walk outside. Then let me close the door. The door is closed. Take a look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom. King size. Beautiful sheet. Nice pillow. Has some towel in here. And then 2 nightstands with beautiful lamps. That is the other nightstand. And there is 1 telephone as well. It's a window. You can see views, beautiful trees outside. And right here in the corner is a laundry basket. Next to the laundry basket there's desk. It's made of wood. Let me open this, take a look what's inside. Well, there is a fridge. 1 tiny fridge inside. And this one is one of the hotel amenities. 2 bottles of mineral water with 2 glasses. And this is the flat screen TVs on the wall. And then underneath there's just some drawers. Let me open the doors. And this one more amenities, kettle, cup, some soap, towel, and this is the mirror. There is a chair here. Let me open the door. The door is open and there is a hair dryer in the door, so you can use this. And let's take a look at the closet. This is the closet. And this closet was from wood as well. Let me open. It's something like sliding door. And the closet is open. You can see over here there is a safety box. And it is time to show you the balcony. Let's walk outside. We'll show you the balcony. The door is open. Oh my gosh. It feels so fresh. It's so green. Beautiful light. And then over there is the swimming pool. You can't really see it because of so many trees. Well, this is my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Goodbye everybody, and don't forget to keep smiling.